First of all, I wish you one and all the 77th Republic Day celebrations of India. You can observe that my voice is not nice. I could not speak much more time. Before me, our social sir has spoken very well. So, sir has spoken Telugu, Hindi and English also. Actually, I would not like to speak here. Sir has invited me so that I want to express a few sentences. So, I would not suffer you. Just 2 minutes I can conclude my speech. Respected dais, honorable chief guests, respected headmaster, respected our village sarpanch, Srimati AAPC chairperson garu and Upa Sarpanch garu, respected village elders, my dear colleagues and my dear students, once again my wholehearted greetings on the auspicious day of India's 77th Republic Day celebrations. As you know that on 1950 January 26, our Indian Constitution has came into force. Behind this Republic Day, there was a great sacrifice of our national leaders. We have to remind on this day, we have to salute to their leaders, to their sacrifice. Their whole lives they have sacrificed. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, next generations Azad Chandrasekhar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi ji and many other national leaders, they brought freedom for us. Okay.